Hi, I'm Clarence Abunales. I am currently a student pursuing my degree in Bachelor of Science in Information Systems. While actively building my professional career, I have a proven track record of balancing academics with real-world experience. And today, I want to share how my background can bring value to your organization. My professional journey includes 2 years of valuable experience as an office staff member where I mastered administrative operations, document control. Currently, I am working as a computer attendant at Cyphertech Esports Cafe where I've been able to further develop my skills in teamwork, problem solving, and task management. Managing these roles alongside my studies has taught me exceptional time management and adaptability. During my 2 years in previous role, I was particularly proud of how I streamlined our data entry process and improved office efficiency. I've carried that same results-driven mindset into my current position, where I consistently meet my targets while maintaining my academic responsibilities. I am eager to bring my diverse experience, work ethic, and adaptability to a new opportunity. Thank you for Thank you so much for watching. My full resume and contact details are linked below, and I look forward to discussing how I can contribute to your team.